Have you ever wondered that by going into some event you can simply increase your business and your revenue as well? So, hey guys, what's up? RJ here, and in this video we are simply talking about the one and only thing that we call funnel hacking live. Now, if some of you that don't know what funnel hacking live is, if you watch WWE, there's a thing called WrestleMania. Okay, it's the biggest event of the year, and for the entrepreneurs, for the funnel hackers, it's called funnel hacking live. So it's happening from 29th of January to December 2nd, the 3-day event. So today we are simply reviewing the funnel hacking live, and also I'm simply providing you insane bonuses, so stay tuned till the end. Okay, so if you see over here, it's generally a funnel of the funnel hacking live where everything is totally displayed. And now this year funnel hacking live is going to be huge. Each year the quantity of the funnel hackers is increasing day by day by day. It started over 5 years ago, and now like it's totally expanding at the moment. And wait, let me refresh the page. Okay, so you generally one funnel away. It's a funnel generally, and there are like multiple good entrepreneurs who are speaking at this particular event. And also there are like multiple things that you need to make sure. You're not simply going to the event to just connecting with the event. You're simply going to the event to networking with the people that you want to love to hang out and all of those things. You just don't want to connect and event go into the event. There's like so much more. It's not just an event, it's everything for the funnel hackers. And plus, if you want to grow your business and it's possible for you to go in there, you need to go in there. So the first speaker is Prince EA. This mega influencer has over 2 billion views over Facebook and YouTube alone, and 15.4 million followers on Facebook, 2.5 million followers on Instagram, and 4.7 million subscribers on YouTube. And as you know, the one and the only Russell Brunson, the founder, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, he is the one who is like everyone admires. Okay, everyone. If you're in the funnel hacking community, I'm in the funnel hacking community, you know who the man is. So each year, like everyone is increasing day by day. As I told you, it's been 5 years since ClickFunnels launched their software, and it's been 5 years since funnel hacking live is happening. And each year the quantity of the people attending the live is increasing. And as you know, there's a fact, why do attendees earn 32% more on average after going to funnel hacking live? Because the first thing is that their overall mindset shift changes. Okay, their mindset changes, their network changes overall, plus their business change, their life change, and overall these things start to happen. And as you know, there's a 2 comma club if you earn over $1 million through ClickFunnels. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, there is the link in the description down below. You can get go over it, and you will get to know about what ClickFunnels generally is. So it will help you a lot. And there is a path to take you from $1 million and $10 million. So the main motive, other than all of those things, is that you that once you attend the event, the one thing that you generally want, the revenue, the business, the growth that you simply want, increase to a higher level. Like if you are on a 1 million, they will make sure that you go to the 10 million one. Okay, if you are on $10 million, like as you see over here, it's a 2 comma club X award. If you earn $10 million using ClickFunnels, now there is a path to take you from $10 million over 100 million. So like there were two awards earlier. Like if someone have made over a million, they get the 2 comma club award. If there is someone who simply made more than 10 million or $10 million with ClickFunnels, they were supposed to get the comma club X. Now there will be a new reward. Whoever made more than $10 million or $100 million, like who have passed, there's a funnel hacker team who has passed the 100 million milestone, 9 figures inside their funnel, so they will get their reward as well. So it will going to be huge. You need to get into it. Plus today, everything has been pre-planned. Like there's nothing that you can simply do. The hotels are planned, that they have recommended you the hotels, so there will be no reason that you're not going to suppose to go to funnel hacking live. So and the community is going to be insane. It will be insane, and like they are like awesome speaker. Some of them I know, like face to face, and got in touch with them, contacted them. Catherine Jones. The concept of design hacking is amazing. You don't need to go to Photoshop or have the knowledge of funnel building in an expert way. You don't need to code something like that. So it's just awesome. Other than this, if you go and proceed, like there's so many things that are happening, like so much knowledge over there. They're simply letting you know on which day what events is supposed to happen, and like insane. There are so many things that happen out here. And Dan Henry, who made $6 million over autopilot with just a split test. So, like the people who made something, who changed the lives of the other people, are the one who is teaching you how things work. So, isn't it awesome? It's insane because the thing is that uh, I'm in a third tier three country. If it was that easy for me to go to the funnel hacking live this year, I would have gone to it. But the thing is that I will go to funnel hacking live in the next year, and I will make sure I will bang it on. So let's go. $6 million in testing. Like there were so many awesome guys out there who are speaking at funnel hacking live. The event is itself is a huge thing. Okay, as I told you, it's a WrestleMania but for ClickFunnels. Like Oscars of entrepreneurship, the new award. I'm so excited for the new award. If you're excited, comment down below from your end. Like it's awesome. There are like so many people out there. Garrett Jawad, like one of the first users of ClickFunnels, and he's speaking for the sixth time in a row in the funnel hacking live. And he's the only expert out there who's speaking the sixth time in a row, and it's huge. And there are like some of the FAQs out there, and generally the ticket costs $997, and you will get like most of it. I can simply make sure that this $997 is worth of your time and investment as well, because I can literally can tell you that hands down it's the best investment that you can simply make. Now the thing is that the bonus part is, if you join funnel hacking live through the my link that is in the description down below, you can simply check it out. I will give you the bonuses. Okay, so the bonuses are generally, so if you join funnel hacking live through my link, the first thing that I will provide you is the .com secrets. Okay, the .com secrets is generally the first book that is created by ClickFunnels, and it's re-updating at the moment. Okay, it's been rewritten at the moment. So the first thing I will provide you the .com secrets book. It's an awesome book, one of the books that I have over here. So I have the book. The second book that I will provide you is the expert secrets. Okay, the .com secrets is how to grow your company online, okay, by modeling the people. And how expert secrets generally is how you can simply have a mass audience by creating a new product. So that's what expert secrets is all about. The third book that I will provide you is a network marketing secrets. Now mind you, all of these books will be a physical book. I will pay for the shipping and everything else. So the third book is network marketing secrets. Now network marketing secrets is all about network marketing. Okay, there was a time when Bill Gates said that if I start from zero, then I would start network marketing. So network marketing secrets. The fourth thing that I will provide you, traffic secrets. One of the trilogy book of the ClickFunnels.com secrets, expert secrets, and traffic secrets. Once it's released, simply let me know and I will ship that book to you, and I will pay for it. Okay. The fifth thing that I will provide you all of my high converting funnels, those funnels who helped me made more than 5 figures with ClickFunnels at the moment. Those converting funnels that you can simply use or sell it or model it or like do whatever you simply want. You can simply use those converting funnels, including traffic secrets waitlist funnel that you can simply use for it. The sixth thing that I will provide is my friend funnels Chrome extension. Now, if you are not in my Facebook group, I will put the link in the description down below as well. So be sure to join. So what the friend funnels generally does is, friend funnels is a Chrome extension which will automatically send the email to anyone who accept your friend request. So let's say if I accept your friend request, what Chrome extension does, once I've accepted your friend request, I will get the message by yourself, whatever you set up in your backend system. So that's how friend funnels is, and it's consider it as an autoresponder but for Facebook. Okay, so it's an awesome extension. It's about to pre-launch, and there will be like a month almost once it's fully launched and all of those stuff. So you will get yourself a front funnels Chrome extension as well. The seventh thing is my 6 months mentorship. Okay, so you will get my 6 months mentorship so that I will make sure that you don't make the same mistakes that I did when I started. Okay, so it's one of the huge things, because if someone is starting out, they have the issue like, how did I do this, how I provide value, what is the traffic, what is my dream 100, who are my dream customers, all of the queries. I will be with you, guide you from by your hand, and I will let you know how the things work. So, and one more thing, all of the funnel hacking recordings will be with you, like funnel hacking 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, and this year funnel hacking live. So you will get yourself each and everything with you for the thing that you get and you need to get the success that you desire for. Okay, so these are the bonuses that you simply get once you're joining funnel hacking live to the link. The link is in the description down below. You don't have that time. Okay, and now I will tune into the trailer of the funnel hacking live.
We sat down and said, if we are going to do this, it can't be, it's not internet marketing, but it's not what everyone else is doing. We have to do something that's better. People deserve something more.
Every year, how are we going to sell 4,500 tickets? And it's just always an impossible task.
These attendees are leaving a family, a job, a relationship, or someone behind to come here.
We've got over 4,000 people that are coming.
They're going to walk in and they're going to see incredible branding everywhere.
It's a 60-foot wide, about 16 feet tall LED wall.
That first 15 minutes sets the tone for everything.
I think of funnel hacking live every year. Like in my head, it's a rock concert.
It's what we get excited for. It's our showcase to the world.
How are you, a software company that has this rabid following?
I always tell my staff the very first day, it's like, look, this is going to be a long week for us. We're going to be sore, we're going to be tired, we're going to lose our voices.
There's that part. Because events are hard, they're long days. You know, you're lucky if you're only working 16 hours.
So the question is, how much of an impact do you want to have on your audience?
In the end, our goal is to bring people to a live event to learn and to be able to take information and take it back into their life or their business.
And the next year they come back, they're sitting in a different spot because they've won an award or they're telling their story of that past year.